Hi traders, you're welcome back once again to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. My name is Tim Leja and I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. So you're welcome back once again to the 2024/2025 trading syllabus. Here in this channel, our goal is to teach you a whole lot you need to know and probably everything you need to know about trading from start to finish till you become a professional in this. And the goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video.
So let's keep moving on. So we're going to be using nothing else but candlesticks, because candlesticks is the popular one and is more understandable than the bar charts or line charts. The line charts will just tell you, okay, market went down today. You went bullish for a while, you went bearish for a while. All right, that's what the line charts can only tell you, but it can't explain anything other than that. But the candlestick explains quite a lot of things. By the time we dive into the study of candlesticks, you would understand what all these candlesticks here are interpreting, because these things are language. They are interpreting something to you, but you wouldn't be able to decode it unless you know what it is. So when we get into learning of candlesticks, you begin to understand what all these things are interpreting. All right. But for now, let's just forge further to the basic of the things we're learning here. Now, I've showed you about these candles and all the rest. And I've also told you about the tools. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is what we call time frame. If you click on your MT5, if you go to your MT5 and just on the charts, for those using Android, if you just touch your screen, you will see a blue round circle that's going to come out. On that blue round circle, you will see M1, M5, M30, M15, M30. You're going to see H1, H4. You're going to see D1 and you're going to see W, something W, and you're also going to see for the one on MW or so. Now, for the M1 is what we call 1 minute time frame. Please make sure you're listening attentively and you're jotting down a few things, because I always love to take questions after the classes. Okay, we have 1 minute time frame. If I click on this 1 minute time frame, you're going to see the real thing that we call the bullish markets, the spikes and the little candlesticks that I showed you guys during the presentation. On the 1 minute time frame, look at how it looks. For the crash markets, remember what I told you guys, that in the crash markets, the spikes goes to the downside. Now, this is the 1 minute time frame. You see how it looks on the 1 minute time frame. You have the spikes going to the downside, and you have the little candlesticks going to the upside. So this is what's happening in the 1 minute time frame. Each of these candlesticks you see that forms here are formed every 1 minute. That is to say, this long candlestick you saw here was formed within 1 minute. This little candlestick you're seeing here, these little things you see here are formed within 1 minute each, because we are in the 1 minute time frame. Now you can see this one just closed and another new one is currently opening. Why is that so? That is because 1 minute is over. All right. Now, if you calculate 60 seconds, this one is going to close after 1 minute, because you are in the 1 minute time frame. Okay. By the time we begin real analysis, you begin to understand how you can take advantage of all these time frames in order to predict your market properly. Okay. Now, if we head to the 5 minute time frame, you're going to see things differently a bit. Though you're still going to see the spikes, but you're going to see things differently. Now, what do you notice here? You notice that this candlestick that heads to the upside, which is bullish, are a bit bigger than the ones you saw in the 1 minute time frame. Why is that? This is because in the 5 minute time frame, each of these candlesticks are formed after 5 minutes. Okay, each of these time frames are formed afterwards 5 minutes. So that is to say that before a 5 minute candlestick is going to close, the 1 minute candlestick has to close about 5 good times. And then that is when you will see a 5 minute time frame candlestick close completely. You need to understand that these candlesticks are inside each candlestick. The 1 minute candlestick is inside other candlesticks, other minutes, higher minute candlesticks. All right. So this particular candle you're seeing right there here is only going to close after 5 good minutes is completed. All right. Now, sometimes you might likely see the bears will just spike down with speed and create this kind of thing you see here. Okay. We might likely see it during the course of the training right now. So you're going to see how it really spikes. Okay. Now, this is for the 5 minute time frame. Now, let's head to the 15-minute time frame. Now, in the 15-minute time frame, you're going to also see something differently. Good. Now, you can see that the candlesticks are actually getting a bit fewer. Like, for instance, we saw in the 1 minute time frame, we saw a huge we saw quite a lot of long greenish and bullish candles. You see all these things going bullish. Let me see. I will just demarcate this like this. I want to show you guys something. Let's count how many candles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, this is 15. Let me just cover it all the way from here to 15 candles. Okay, now this is the 1 minute time frame. This 15 candles is equivalent to just one candle on the 15-minute time frame. All right. I want to believe you guys are understanding the logic of the things I'm showing you about time frames. These 15 candles you see here from this one to this 15th candle is equivalent to just one candlestick in the 15-minute time frame. Let me head to the 15-minute time frame. Remember, we covered from here to here. Now you can see in the 15-minute time frame, this is the same place we just covered. All right. This was equivalent to just one candlestick. All right. Just one candlestick. So 15 1-minute candlesticks make one 15-minute candlestick. Let's head to 30-minute time frame. Now, in the 30-minute time frame, you can see we are seeing more of the bearish markets. The bears, that's the people who take the red color. Though you can change the color of your own candle whenever to whatever color you desire during your setting, but this is the generally and most popular color of the forex market: green and red. The red is for the bears, while the green is for the bulls. Okay, so when market is going bullish, it's green in color. When it's going bearish, it's red in color. Okay, so in this 30-minute time frame, just two 15-minute candlestick is equivalent to one of this. Why 30 1-minute candlestick is equivalent to just one of this candle. In this 30-minute time frame, only one candlestick is formed after 30 minutes. That is to say, this current one that is gradually going to the upside is only going to close after 30 minutes. In the same manner, all of them, the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and so on. If you go to the monthly candlestick, each candle on the chart on the monthly candlestick is formed after one full month. Okay, so now you should be able to understand what we mean about time frame. So as we progress into the training, all right, in days to come, you begin to understand how you can use time frames and all these things that I've showed you to really analyze your markets. Okay, let me see if there's any other thing. Okay, now we also have things called indicator. All right, now indicators are things, some technical tools that can help you, or they can also give you ideas of what the market might likely do. All right, so that you can take advantage of it. Because the reason why you're in this market is because you want to figure out what will happen next, so that you take action together with it and make profit out of it. Okay, so we have quite a lot of indicators. Okay, but there's popular ones known as the moving average. Look how the moving average looks. See this line. Okay, now the moving average is one beautiful indicator that can tell you when the market is bearish or bullish. If you see the moving average facing downward, it's telling you that, hey, the market between here to here was bearish. All right, you see the moving average moving to the upside, is also telling you that the market is bullish. So you can see between here to here, the market is still bearish because the moving average is also going to the downside. Okay, we also have quite a lot of indicators. You'll be able to see them also on your MT5. Okay, but I am more of a price action trader than an indicator trader. Now, what is a price action trader, and who is a price action trader, and who is an indicator trader? A price action trader is one who analyzes his markets due to what price have done probably in the past, and he uses it to predict what will likely happen in the future. Because that is one way you can easily make money from the markets, to be able to figure out what happened in the past, analyze it, and use it as an idea to understand what will likely happen in the future. Okay, when we start all the analysis, you understand those things better. While an indicator trader is one who relies more on his indicators. Okay, just like the moving average is proven bearish, you will see someone looking for selling opportunity because his moving average is telling him market is selling. Okay, but one difference between the two is that a price action trader seems to always get his analysis more accurate than an indicator trader, because these indicators, they can fail you sometimes. Sometimes they show you things late after market has done what it wants to do. That's when an indicator will show you what it wants to show you. All right, so I always advise people to learn both of them. So you can learn how to trade using the indicator, and you can also learn price action. I can use the two as my level of trading now. Okay, so if you go into my YouTube channel, you're always going to see different videos on how to use this different indicators, and you're also going to see different videos on price action. Okay, so tomorrow we'll be talking about the candlesticks, how to use them, how to interpret what is preaching to you, and how to decode what is preaching, and also how to use it to take advantage of the market. Okay, let me go to my YouTube channel. We can just go straight to my YouTube channel and search for some of those things. Let me see where we talked about learn candlestick patterns for beginners. All right, this is actually a 2-hour intensive training.